Hello friend, I'm Dr. Naitik Trivedi once again with the new educational video. If you like my YouTube channel, then kindly subscribe Dr. Naitik Trivedi. Today's video is depend on to the demonstration practical. The aim of this demonstration practical is to study the effect of various drug on rabbit eye. Requirement for this practical is rabbit, eyedropper and the rabbit holder. We will going to use the drug acetylcholine, carbachol, physostigmine, atropine, ephedrine and the lignocaine. In the theory section, as we know, iris consists two types of the smooth muscles. First one is the sphincter pupillae and second is the dilator pupillae. As we know, dilator pupillae, the synonyms or the other name is the radial muscles. Constriction of the sphincter pupillae constrict the pupil, which is known as the miosis, and constriction of the dilator pupillae or radial muscles, which dilate the pupil, which is known as the mydriasis. Additionally, eye consists the ciliary muscles that are involved in the adjustment of lens for distance and the near vision. In the procedure section, we will put the rabbit into the rabbit holder as like that its head outside the rabbit holder. In this practical, we will consider the right eye as the control eye because we will going to introduce normal saline into the right eye and we will consider left eye as the test eye because we are going to introduce test solution into the left eye. We will measure three kinds of the reflexes or the response in which first one is the corneal touch reflex in which we are going to measure or we are going to touch the cornea of eye with the cotton pledge or a piece of paper by observing whether the rabbit blink the eyelids or not. Check in the both control eye and the test eye. And second is the light reflex or in this reflex, we are focusing a torch on the eye and observing whether the pupil is constrict in response to the light or not. Check in both control eye and the test eye. Third one is effect of drug on diameter of pupil size. That means dilation or constriction of pupil after adding the drug solution is observed or not and compare with the diameter of pupil in both the eye. These three reflexes we are going to measure in this practical. Here there are the four figure. First one is the normal eye, dilated pupil, constricted pupil and blinking of the eye. We are going to measure these four kinds of the responses in this practical. That's why I have taken this diagram so you can get easy idea. Here, view of iris. As I said that inside there is the constricted pupillae, which is known as the constricted muscles. When it get constrict, it produce constriction of the pupil. That means what? It decrease the size of the pupil, which is known as the mydriasis. And outside that, there is the dilator pupillae, which is known as the radial muscles. When it get constrict, it dilate the pupil. If you want to get more idea about this by the video, then here there is the one video for you. Here you can easily get dilator or radial muscle which is outside the eye and sphincter circular muscles which is inside the eye. When we are going into the ambient light level, that means into the dim light, outside muscles which is known as the dilator muscles get constricts, so pupil size get increased which produce the mydriasis. But when we go into the brighter light, that time sphincter muscles constricts and it produce the miosis, that means decrease into the pupil size. So next, here there is the observation table. I am uh, taking the directly observation table because of why, so you can get easy idea okay, which drug we are going to use and which kinds of the reflex or which kinds of the responses we are going to measure. Here drug solution is saline, ephedrine, carbachol, physostigmine, atropine and lignocaine. Ephedrine is the sympathomimetic drug which bind with the alpha 1 receptor and it increases the pupil size while it's also produce the positive sign into the light reflex and the touch reflex. Carbachol and physostigmine, which are the parasympathomimetic drug, it decreases the pupil size. It also produces the positive sign in the light reflex and the touch reflex. Next is the atropine. Atropine is the parasympatholitic drug. It produces opposite effect to the parasympathomimetic drug. That means it increases the pupil size, but not the same way. It paralyzes the ciliary muscles and increase the pupil size. It not produce any kinds of the response with the light reflex. That's why light reflex is absent and the touch reflex is present. Lignocaine. Lignocaine and the cocaine is the local anesthetics agents which do not have any kinds of the effect on the pupil size, and it produce positive sign into the light reflex, but it do not have the positive sign into the touch reflex because it is the local anesthetics agents. If you want to get more idea, then come back to the video. Here here sphincter muscles consist the muscarinic receptors and radial muscles consist the alpha receptors. Here acetylcholine and the carbacholine, which are the parasympathomimetic drug. As we know, acetylcholine and the carbacholine act onto the muscarinic receptors and it produces constriction of the constricted pupillae. So what will happen? It decreases the pupil size, which is known as the meiosis. Sphincter muscles. And now is the physostigmine. Physostigmine is what? It is the anticholinesterase drug which also act onto the sphincter pupillae and constrict the pupil, which decrease the size of the pupil, which is known as the meiosis. Next drug is ephedrine. Ephedrine is the sympathomimetic drug. It acts onto the radial muscles and constriction of the radial muscles gives dilation of the pupil, increase the size of the pupil by the help of alpha receptor, and it is known as the mydriasis. Next drug is atropine. Atropine is the anticholinergic drug which act onto the muscarinic receptor and it paralyzes the ciliary muscles. So it gives the opposite effect and it increases the size of the pupil, which is known as the mydriasis. Here there is the one more video for get the good idea about this practical. Here I have taken the right eye as a control, add the saline, and left eye as a drug treated. I add the ephedrine, sympathomimetic drug. So see, it produces the dilation of the pupil. Now we are going to check the touch reflex and light reflex. Yes, touch reflex present into the right eye, control eye. It also gives the positive sign into the left eye, drug treated, ephedrine added eye. Now the light reflex. It gives the positive sign. It produces the positive sign. Right eye shows the positive sign and left eye also the drug treated eye shows the positive sign. That means light reflex is also present. So for the ephedrine, increase the size of the pupil, touch reflex present and light reflex present. Now the next drug. Next drug is carbachol, which is the parasympathomimetic drug. Here you can see it's decreased the size of the pupil. Now the touch reflex. Here there is the touch reflex is present into the control eye as well as into the drug treated eye, left eye, but the size of the pupil getting decreased. Here the touch reflex and the light reflex both are present, but the pupil size getting decreased by the help of the carbachol parasympathomimetic drug produce the meiosis. Both light reflex and touch reflex present for the carbachol. Next, we are taking the new drug which is the physostigmine. Physostigmine is the anticholinesterase drug. It prevents the destruction of the acetylcholine. Here you can observe it decreases the size of the pupil, but it also gives the positive sign for the touch reflex as well as the light reflex. You can see easily it's produce the blinking as well as pupil size getting increase and decrease with the help of the light reflex. When we touch, blinking, and when we focus the light, pupil size getting increase and decrease. Next, we are adding the next drug is atropine. So what will happen? Atropine is the anticholinesterase drug. It gives the opposite effect. That's why pupil size getting increase. Here you can easily see pupil size increase. Here touch reflex is present. I get blink with the cotton pledge. That's why touch reflex is present. Light reflex in right eye, control eye, light reflex is present, but light reflex is absent into the left eye drug treated eye. Pupil size not getting decreased by when we are focusing the light into the eye. That's why light reflex is absent into the atropine. Next is lignocaine, which is the local anesthetics drug. When we add into the left eye, here the pupil size is normal. There is no any kinds of the changes into the pupil size with the lignocaine. But when we touch cotton pledge, it's not give the any kinds of the response into the drug treated, lignocaine treated eye. That means touch reflex is absent. Here you can easily observe that touch reflex is absent. Now the light reflex. Yeah, here right eye control eye produce, and you can see here pupil size getting increase and decrease with the focusing of the light lignocaine treated eye. That means light reflex is present into the lignocaine treated rabbit. So here there is the videographical presentation. Now the next is discussion. Acetylcholine and carbachol binds to the muscarinic receptor of sphincter muscles, that is onto the M3 receptor in the iris, due to which the sphincter muscles contract and pupil size is reduced, causing the miosis. Next is the physostigmine. As I said, it is the reversible choline esterase inhibitor, acetylcholine inhibitor drug, which inhibit the destruction of acetylcholine. This result in the increase in the concentration of the acetylcholine, which bind to the muscarinic receptor in the sphincter muscles M3 receptor and cause the miosis. That means it decrease the pupil size. Ephedrine. Ephedrine bind to the alpha receptor, particularly alpha 1 receptor, onto the radial muscles. In the alpha receptor, when it get bind, it constrict the radial muscles, which is known as the which produce the mydriasis. Because of why? It dilate the pupil. That's why this effect is known as the mydriasis. Next is atropine. Atropine is a competitive antagonist of acetylcholine. Atropine is the competitive antagonist of acetylcholine. It paralyze the sphincter muscles. Pupil does not show the light reflex in response to the atropine. Because of why? When it paralyzes the sphincter muscles, it's increased the size of the pupil, which is known as the mydriasis. That's why light reflex is absent into the atropine, but touch reflex is present. Lignocaine or cocaine is the local anesthetic agent. It gives the negative sign when we touch the cotton pledge or the piece of the paper onto the eye. That means I not get blink, but it gives the positive sign or positive result when we are focusing the light onto the eye. That means pupil size getting increase and decrease. That means light reflex is present but touch reflex is absent. Now how the drug can act onto the eye? That means mechanism of action parasympathomimetic or cholinomimetic drug to produce miosis. Here parasympathetic drug which can act onto the M3 receptor. The drug example are acetylcholine, carbachol and the physostigmine which can act onto the M3 muscarinic receptors. So what will happen? It activates the G protein and it stimulates the phospholipase enzyme. So what will happen when phospholipase enzyme get stimulated? It produce diacylglycerol and inositol triphosphate. So what will happen? Inositol triphosphate increase the intracellular calcium level as well as diacylglycerol activate the protein kinase C. Both this effect increase the intracellular calcium level. So what will happen? It produces constriction of the sphincter muscles by acting onto the M3 receptor, which is known as the meiosis. Now, for the mechanism of action, sympathomimetic drug agonist bind with the alpha 1 receptor. So what will happen? G protein coupled receptor activate. It produces the GTP, which act onto the phospholipase C, and what will happen? It produces the inositol triphosphate and diacylglycerol. So it increase the calcium level. So what will happen? It produces the constriction on the radial muscles by acting on the alpha 1 receptor. So what will happen? It causes the mydriasis. So here friend, I have represented the demonstration practical effect of various drugs on the rabbit eye. If you like my video, then kindly subscribe my channel and share my video. I will come back with the new video in this channel. To get update, kindly subscribe my channel Dr. Naitik Trivedi, which is the educational channel. Thank you once again.